Today I am going to make refrigerator for a doll using recycled cell phone box. This is little large than this one, so measure it. It's approx 8 centimeter. Mark on both the side and also mark on the back side. I start by cutting off for making top of refrigerator, and be careful while cutting it. I'm using a paper cutter. You have to cut as line drawn. Cut the extra piece. Straight it down. Trim it. This will be side wall of the fridge top. And rest of the piece I am going to make vegetable basket for a bottom of my fridge. Now measure it. Take a proper measurement so that it can easily fit in the box. I have taken 4.8 centimeter. It's better that first to measure the box then mark on cutout piece. I think I have to trim more, so let's take 3.8 centimeter. For a proper size, I'm cutting the excess part. It's a perfect in size. Now we can take a next step. Take a paper cardboard. Measure it for making a base of the fridge basket. Add glue and then glue on top. Now trim the cutout piece and then glue it and attach them together for making fridge top. I'm taking white sheet for covering the inner part of the box. Make a mark and cut them out. It's almost 14 centimeter and 3.7 centimeter. Add glue and glue them on the inside wall. And repeat for all four sides. And repeat for the top and the basket. For top, I take 6.5 and 7.7 centimeter. Add glue and then glue them on the inside wall. For extra detail, I am using inside plastic of a cake box. Cut and glue them. Repeat on side and for back. I'm using another one for back side. It's a different design of, so add a glue. Now take a glue box, cut then. Let's open it first. Take a mark. I'm taking here approx 2 cm, then cut it. This I am making for the top of the fridge, the part of the freezer that I will attach it like this. But before I glue, let's first paint it using white acrylic color. Also paint it inside. I think I have to do a couple of coats. While waiting that to dry, let's work on basket. Cut a clear plastic from the packaging and take a mark and cut the excess. Glue on top. Wait, before gluing, let's first paint using white acrylic color. Paint on top and all over the side. Now it's dried, so we can work on this. I left it 30 to 35 minutes to dry. Add a glue. Take a transparent sheet and glue on top. Here I am using headphone part for making bulb or switch. Cut a small piece of paper, glue inside for making its door. But before gluing the door, take a small piece of white paper, bend it like this, give a shape and then glue on inside. Now attach the door. First bend the door from a little from side like this. Glue and attach it to the box. Let's first work on the basket. This is a contact paper from Amazon. If you like to have this contact paper, link is in description, you can go for it. Now cut a small thin strips, stack all over this side and repeat it in this side too. Now take this small box and glue on inside it into top of the fridge. Now take a rectangular box. I am gluing this as I glued on the basket. Gluing only both the side of the box. If you want, you can add one more. Take a hard plastic, mark it and draw a line. Working on a shelf for our fridge. It's approximate 7.3 cm and 4.5 cm. Cut a thin strip of a contact paper and apply the contact paper on the one of the side. Trim the excess from side. Here I am making total 6 shelves. You can make more. It depends on what size of the fridge you are making. Mine is triple door fridge, so I made 6. Take a 1 cm and 8 cm cardboard cutout paper. Mark it and cut it in a shape. I cut total 8 pieces. Now for making bottom of our fridge, here I am using paper board, 4 for side, 2 for door, 1 for top, 2 for fridge door and 2 for base. First take a base, then glue back. Take a both two sides and glue them together. So I have 3 rectangle size cutout, 2 paper board and 1 paper cutout, 3 square size cutout and 3 small rectangle cutout for making bottom door of refrigerator. Pick out a rectangle for the door, glue them together for the desired thickness. Take a both square cutout, apply glue and stack them together. Now all 3 doors are ready. I cut a small piece of paper board at about 1 cm and length is 8 cm. Add glue and glue them on top, then in middle and 1 for bottom. I added 3 for middle door, 2 for bottom and 3 for top door of fridge. Take a rectangle shape of paper cutout and cover all the piece from the contact paper. By making small cuts at the corner so that paper can be neatly folded over. Mark gently. Here I am using paper cutter. Do not press hard, press with a light hand. Bend it. Add glue. Add glue, start from the side, then slowly glue to the end. Press the paper with one hand and then press the other side with the other hand. Like this. Same process to be done with both the doors. Now the doors are ready. Add white shade for covering the other side of the door. Add glue and then stack on the top. Same process to be done with both the doors. Take a small paper cutout. Give a shape like this. The paper has to be cut as given the shape. It's approximate 1.5 cm. Cover with contact paper. Trim the excess and glue on top. Repeat on other side. Same process to be done with both the doors. I take a contact paper and stack on top and side that covers the seam, gives a finish edge. Cut the side and give the shape with hand. Cover it on the other side. Now let's start to assemble. Make sure that the bottom and the top of the refrigerator will line up the edges. Now glue the shelves. Make sure you have to apply the whole shelf at a little distance. Take a crystal pipe, cut from the middle. Cut several. I cut total 12 pieces. Apply glue, then glue the inside of the box. As I said before, you have to apply the whole shelf at a little distance. Glue one by one. Place the door on top. Now we have a miniature fridge with a door that can swing open. For extra detail, I added a box and glued them near bottom of the door. I used hard plastic sheet for making box and add contact paper for detail work on box. Cut the strip of metallic scrapbook paper and glue them for extra detail. Glue them both the side. Glue them to the fronts for the handle. Add some silver beads and star, or if you like, you can add your own brand's name by using numbers and latest stickers. Your miniature fridge is ready.